Hello everyone, I am Jagdish Sarpati, the founder and CEO of JJ Innovative Hub Private Limited. I am currently pursuing my Electronics and Telecommunication degree in IIIT Bhubaneswar. At JJ Innovative Hub Private Limited, we believe in real world problem solving and product development. Today, we will see a product that will have an impact on real problems. Our mission is simple and ambitious to build an innovative, affordable, and indigenous technology products that solve millions of peoples in India. Today, I am excited to share our flagship product, Smart Power Core. We will see the product and all the features. Across rural and semi-urban area, power cuts remain daily reality. Students struggle to study after the sunset. Small business lose valuable working hours during night times. Voltage fluctuation damages expensive electronics equipment. Existing UPS systems are often expensive, heavy to carry, difficult to maintain, and rarely support intelligent features and don't have renewable energy features. We saw this is not a power problem, but an opportunity to build a smarter energy platform. Smart Power Core is built around a custom designed power architecture. It accepts both solar power and grid power and intelligently manages the charging through our battery and its battery management system, which store energy efficiently, which uses lithium ion or LiFePO4 batteries and deliver reliable AC and DC outputs. Built-in protection against overcharging, deep discharge, overheating, short circuit, and voltage fluctuation, where we ensure safety and reliability. Integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity enable real-time monitoring, battery diagnostic, and predictive maintenance through mobile app. Every major electronic systems is being designed with strong focus on indigenous development under Make in India. Let us discuss about the market and business model. India's power backups market is over around 25,000 crore, with rural and semi-urban India representing one of most fastest growing segments. Our business model is designed to generate both product revenue and recurring income. Revenue comes from hardware sale and hardware variants, like different parts of our hardware product, and battery replacement service, annual maintenance contracts, solar integration packages, subscription-based IoT monitoring system, and institutional development through schools, NGOs, and government projects. We have planned with the pilot deployment in Odisha before expanding through the distributor networks and e-commerce platform and the strategic platform across India. One of the most purchasing platform is our own platform, which is Innovative Hub, already available in the internet. Today we will see the product. This is the UPS, which has some limited features, which we are using almost 1.5 years in our lab. This is our main product. I will show the first and the features whatever present in this product. Let's see. This is the main power switch. If we off the power switch, then whole system will be turned off, which is mainly taking the power from the main grid. If I on it, then the whole system will be on. We have a mobile charging option where we can charge our smartphones, and including that we have variable DC outputs which we are using in the lab. Like we can vary up to 36 volt. You can see as well 36 and 38 volt, and with a maximum current of 10 ampere. Okay, this is the DC like variable DC part we are getting from the mainly grid. We can also connect a battery which is 12 volt. We can get the output as variable output in the output side. In the left hand side we have the inverter part where we have to connect a battery like this. This is a 10Ah battery which is built by us also. and this is the battery switch. When we turn on, it automatically disconnect the power from the grid and automatically on the inverter. When it is turned off, the battery will get charged. If I on it, then we can get a 220 volt of AC from the inverter. Except that, you will see the inside part where all the electronic components are present. We will see how it works as well. This is already connected to electricity. Let power off it because we have to be safe. Okay. We are using mainly two kits, which is one is inverter kit, another is DC to DC buck converter kit, or some set of systems which is like designed for the protection and switch on of our system. We have the display as well, where we will see the actual voltage and the current. We are using simply one method. We know transformer is used to step up and step down the voltages. Here, whenever we are getting the voltage from the grid, main grid, like around 220 volt and 50 hertz AC input, we are getting variable output. The transformer is acting as a step down transformer. And when we are connecting the battery in the inverter set, it is becoming a step up transformer, where we are also getting a 220 volt of 200 watt of maximum capacity, where we can charge mobile phone and we can also operate electric fans like normal ceiling fan and stand fans as well. This is the whole system, and another like other parts are there like bridge rectifier and relays, which are mainly used for turning on and off automatically when we are connecting the battery, providing a safe and secure product. Including that, we are using a fuse as well. Whenever there is a like short circuit, then it will get disconnected. Our product will be safe. This is the all electronics part. Major parts are there. Further, when we are developing the main product, we have lot of features and like customized PCB. We will build that where all things are get together in a customized place, or the size will be reduced. Whatever size right now, the size will also be reduced in the main product with the IoT features and all features that we have discussed in the video. We will see the testing and deployment in the villages, in the rural areas, like in Odisha, like rural areas like Koraput, Malkangiri. In that areas, electricity still have not reached, so we can use simple products there. Don't have to do anything. We will use the solar features as well, so they can charge the battery during the daytime and use in the night time with all the features. Even they can glow AC lights that they can buy from the market. Including that, we have planned that we will provide the AC LEDs so that we can save batteries and efficiently. Our product is majorly focused on rural areas and semi-urban areas. This is the whole product description part. At JJ Innovative Hub, we are not building another UPS. We are building a foundation for India's energy backup systems. Smart Power Core is one of the beginning of our larger vision to develop innovative power electronics, embedded system, and sustainable technology that are designed, engineered, and manufactured in India. We invite you to support our journey. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.